Hi, I'm Linda Duhadway, and I'm going to be the instructor for CS 2350 this summer. I'm glad you're going to be joining me for this interesting class where we're going to build an entire website and publish it so it's available to whoever you want to share it with. To get started, you're going to want to check out the Start Here section. And as you go here, this will have 3 different things to do. Check out the syllabus, watch the welcome video, which is what you're doing right now, and be able to schedule enough time to be able to get the work done for this course. The syllabus gives you ways to get a hold of me. So 2 ways to get a hold of me. You can contact me by email or through discussions. We'll be using discussions a lot. Discussions is a great place to get a hold of me, to ask questions, to answer questions, to help each other out, and share information. It's a fully online course, so you won't be able to have to go to any classes, but we'll expect that you do the work on your own. I recommend that you schedule 12 to 16 hours a week to work on this particular class. The class is broken down into 4 different parts. There are learning activities. In these activities, we'll do an activity together. There are videos that you'll watch. I'll be doing the activity and explaining it as we go, and you will do the same activity along with me. And then when you're done, you'll turn that activity in for the solution to the learning activity. Practice activities will cover the same material that we just learned about in the learning activities, but it's a chance for you to practice it. There will be brief instructions. These ones will be written, and you'll follow the instructions and create a solution that matches the provided solution, and then that's what you will submit for that solution. Then there's homework, and homework you do on your own. And they'll just be, the instructions will say what's expected, and you will do those instructions and turn them in. Now, these are spread pretty evenly across the semester, but the learning activity and practice activity are much faster. And so I recommend that you bunch up and do those early, get the learning activity and the practice activity done early in the unit, and save time to spend on the homework, which is where you'll be building the web pages and the website for your portfolio. Then there are 2 exams during this semester, and these exams can be taken anywhere that WSU testing centers that are available or through an approved proctor. All the work in this class is done individually, and the grading breakdown is 10% for learning activities, 10% for practice activities. These are really important. These are where you will get your learning while you learn the material, and then 40% for the homework assignments and 40% for the exams. The next thing to check out is discussions, and that's where we'll be doing a lot of our communication. So be sure and read the discussions as they come up. And I highly recommend that you take the time to go through and subscribe to each one of the discussions. It's really easy to do all at once, where you just go through and click that you want to subscribe to all of them, and then go in and set your notifications. So go in your account and set notifications so you receive those discussion posts when they happen. Then there's a list of all the different units that we'll be doing, and each of these units are built very similarly. So there'll be a section on what to do, and here has the discussion and the notes. The notes are something that outline the topics that will be covered in this unit, and so that gives you a good outline so you know what it is intended for you to learn. And then the different activities, the learning activity, the practice activity, and the homework. There'll be a section for things to read. There isn't a textbook. We're using free online resources. There'll be videos to watch. So these are also teach you some of the same topics that would be taught in the learning activity. And then there's other resources that you can check out as well. Lots of things for you to use and help you get through this class. And I'm a primary resource, and I'd love for you to interact with me, and I'd love to help you any way that I can. I hope the semester goes really well for both of us.